Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really simple but powerful skill in Google Sheets, how to create a drop-down list that not only helps organize your data, but also uses color to make everything pop and become instantly clear. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your spreadsheet more interactive, visually appealing, and actually easier to read, especially if you're tracking things like project statuses, approvals, or anything that could benefit from a quick yes-no selection. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start by opening up the Google Sheet where you want to add your dropdown list. First, you'll need to highlight the cell where you want your dropdown to live. Maybe it's in a column labeled Status or Approval, wherever you want that interactive choice to happen. Just click it once so it's clearly selected. If you want the dropdown on several cells, you can click and drag to select more than one at a time. This just makes sure the dropdown will show up exactly where you need it. Next, go up to the top menu bar and find Insert. Click on it. You'll see a pretty long list drop down, but don't let that overwhelm you. Just look for the option labeled Dropdown. Give that a click. What we're doing here is telling Google Sheets, hey, I want this cell to have predefined choices so people can easily pick one instead of typing anything they want. This not only saves time, but also keeps your data super consistent. No more typos, especially for things that matter like yes and no. Now, as soon as you've clicked Dropdown, a panel will open up over on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where the real magic happens. Right under the section called Criteria, you'll see your options listed, usually defaulting to option 1 and option 2. Here, where we're going to take it a step further by adding color to each choice. If you look just to the left of each option, you'll notice a little colored circle. That's your color picker. Let's say you're setting this up for tracking if a task is complete. You might want yes to look extra positive and clear at a glance, so click on the little circle next to yes and select a rich green. Green is an almost universal color for go or success, so it'll immediately catch your eye when you scroll through your sheet. Then move down to no, click the circle for this one and pick a bold red color. This way, no really stands out almost like a stop sign. If you're color coding for something else, you can choose whichever hues make sense for your project. After you've adjusted both colors and made sure your drop-down options are set how you want them, simply hit Done. Give it a try by clicking the arrow in your cell. You'll see your newly colored drop-down in action. It's a subtle touch that packs a punch, making your data not only easier to use but genuinely more enjoyable to look at. And that's all there is to it. In just a minute or two, you've turned a boring cell into an interactive, color-coded tool. Don't worry if things didn't work perfectly the first time. You can always go back and tweak your colors or options in the same menu. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Have any questions or want to share how you're using color-coded dropdowns? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.